The Women of Trucking Advisory Board, or WOTAB, is charged with reviewing and reporting on policies to recruit, retain, and advance careers for women in trucking. WOTAB is composed of 16 members whose diverse backgrounds, experience, and certifications allow them to contribute balance points of views and ideas, including trucking companies, nonprofit organizations, and trucking associations. The board will provide recommendations to the administrator of FMCSA and ultimately the U.S. Secretary of Transportation. FMCSA's Deputy Administrator Robin Hutchison has an unwavering commitment to WOTAB's success. She recently took the opportunity to ride along with Carmen Anderson, an award-winning driver with many years of experience on the road. Highlights of their discussion include possibilities of how FMCSA and WOTAB can support women, such as assisting them in safely pursuing careers in trucking, expanding scholarship opportunities, and enhancing trucking education, training, mentorship, and outreach programs.
How do you think we collectively can recruit more people to the industry?
A lot of women do not want to be out on the road, like I am on that. They don't want to be out there weeks at a time. Mm-hmm. It's just a love that I have.
So is that something that maybe companies should be looking at, is more flexibility for women who want to be home?
Yeah, on that, to entice them for that.
Mm-hmm. Do you, as women in trucking, go out to vocational colleges, technical colleges, and talk with students about their opportunities?
Yeah, we do, or we go to a lot of the conferences, and connect.
More information about WOTAB, ongoing activities, events, and announcements can be found at www.fmcsa.dot.gov/WOTAB.